begins. It's the Filipino halo halo, better than the Singapore Chendol. The challenge continues. It's the Singaporean Chendol versus the Filipino halo halo. So, the challenge begins. It's the Filipino halo halo, better than the Singapore Chendol. We're going to give it a test.
So this is basically
Well, it's...
Singapore versus the Philippines.
Well, that might get a bit harsh. So we're just going to give it a go.
And what exactly is it you're eating? Do you know?
I think this is like crushed coconut ice, which that's the same as thing. Mike's on the camera, so God knows what it's going to look like. It'll be amazing, I'm sure. Yeah, that's really creamy, very nice. I'm going to try a Red Bull. Red Bull.
So what is it, like an ice cream?
Yeah, well, the Red Bulls are very chewy actually. Sorry for speaking with my mouth full, but the purple thing is ice cream. Please, Filipinos, tell us exactly what it is, because I'm floundering big time.
When I first saw it, I thought it was like lumps of plasticine or Play-Doh.
It's very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Right, I know these are...
I think it's free from artificial flavourings and colouring.
I can't guarantee that. So these are sweet red kidney beans. I know these are in Chendol. So I know these are nice. Right. They're nice. I'm going to try this thing now.
What thing's that?
This thing, I don't know what it is. That's nice. Green. Please tell us what it is. Well, I'm eating blind here.
Yeah, but is it tasty? Are you enjoying it?
Green doesn't taste of anything.
Okay.
That was really creamy. That was really nice. Green, no taste at all. I'm thinking this is maybe mango. Oh.
No. That expression.
No. I do think it's mango, but it...
Okay.
Sorry, I mean, it's almost like a concentrated mango. Right, little purple block of something. Little purple block of something. That tastes a bit like uncooked cookie dough, purple cookie dough. I'm trying desperately to explain all this.
It looks like dough.
Right, I've got a yellow bean now.
Okay, and what's that, do you think?
A yellow bean. It's probably a yellow bean. Right. Yeah, what's a yellow bean? Right. The Red Bulls are nice, but they're quite chewy. Right. Oh, yellow thing. Banana, maybe?
Oh, there's a banana chip with a little bit of syrup on it.
With banana. Right, I'm now going to go and see if I can finish all this, and I'll let you know what it's like. Just about coming to the end of it now. There's just a bit of ice kind of left.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, yeah. Sorry. It's just ice left now. Some interesting flavours. So the next dessert I will be eating will be in Singapore. So I'll be able to then give an honest verdict of which is the best. The Halo Halo or the Chendol. And I'm not really a pudding person. Give me a savoury dish any day, but we decided that we would try similar dishes and see where we get.
So, first one is done.
First one's done.
Bring on
the Chendol. The challenge continues. It's the Singaporean Chendol versus the Filipino Halo Halo. So, this is the Singaporean Chendol with the base is kind of the same with a shaved coconut ice. I've gone for mango. It was mango or durian, so I've gone for mango. Red kidney beans are the same. Pandang's the same. You put some brown stuff on and I think some coconut milk. So we're going to go in. I've been looking forward to this actually. It's not separated as it was in the Philippines. In the Philippines it was like really neat. So the dreadful feeling I tasted durian then. I'm not totally sure I didn't. I did ask for mango, so I'm hoping that's what it is. Well, I think this is... I'm going to get Mark to taste it.
Have you got the durian taste back? Is it durian?
I don't know. There's something, and I don't know what it is.
What do you think is durian? What sort of... Is it mixed in?
Can you come round and try it? Please. This is different. This is to prove that Mark's here as well.
Right. Is this durian?
I don't know. Tell me.
That's durian. You've done that on purpose.
Right, well I'm going to go on with the challenge because I said I would see which was best. The Filipino Halo Halo or the Singapore Chendol. So let's see. I will give you the verdict. I'll give you the verdict at the end. Well, that was a little bit of a disaster and it was an unfair edge on the Philippines because they'd accidentally put durian into the Chendol. So I've just got another one with nothing in it, no mango or durian because she was insistent that the mango was not durian, but it was. So, but this is Singapore's Chendol and we're challenging it against the Philippine Halo Halo. So we got beans, more beans, and I can't remember what the green thing is now. We're going to give this one a go. I'm very stressed from the last one, hence the sweat. So we're going to taste this one and try not to judge the durian that was in the last. I'm really afraid now. There's no durian. Right, the green pandang, I've remembered what it is now. There's some brown stuff that they put in it, and some coconut milk on the ice, which makes it really nice. It's not as colourful or as separated as the Philippine halo halo. That was really tidy with the little bits all over the place. This is just kind of chucked on here, but I'm gonna eat till the end and I'll let you know the verdict. Right, I think I'm done. It's kind of quite watery now. A couple of beans left, so that's the end of my halo halo versus the Chendol challenge. I tried the Chendol last year when we were here, and it was odd because of all the different flavours, but I enjoyed it. So I did kind of have an insight into what it was like. And when I first thought up of this challenge, I thought, well, I think Singapore's going to win it. But then when we had the halo halo, I had the halo halo in the Philippines, and I think because the presentation was a lot nicer, there were more elements to it, and it tasted so much nicer. So on this occasion, I'm very sorry to Singapore, but the Philippines are the winners on this challenge. I do love you, Singapore, but that was not a good Chendol.
I never thought that Singapore
would lose. I didn't either. I honestly thought that it was hands down Singapore would get this because the Chendol was really nice before, but it wasn't. So this is in Lau Pa Sat, and I'm sure there are other ones that are really nice, but sorry. Philippines, you win.